Hello creatives, Michelle here. I have a beautiful summertime wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you step by step how to pull together these materials and make a beautiful wreath for your front door for summer. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. To get started on our summertime wreath, you're going to need an 18-inch wreath form and some full-length pipe cleaners. Now I'm going to start by adding my pipe cleaners here to my wreath form. On every crossbar, you want to add a pipe cleaner to the center bar and the inner bar. And then in between those two crossbars, you want to add one to the center bar and the outer bar. You will be applying a total of 16 pipe cleaners, 8 on the inside and 8 on the outside. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. My wreath frame is fully loaded and ready to go. I pulled all of the pipe cleaners that are on the inner two bars towards the center. We're going to start to load from the outside. You're also going to need a roll of 10.5 inch by 10 yard mesh. I did pick this up from Craft Outlet. This is their drift mesh. I was looking for something that had that dark blue, and I like that it's a little bit shimmery. It looks like water to me, and that's what I was going for. And I like that it has the white in there. It gives it a little bit more texture, and that allows me to use those white pipe cleaners, and they're going to blend right in to the mesh. I have my mesh rolled out. Now I'm going to cut the entire roll into strips at 22 inches. You should be able to get 16 pieces off of one roll. You can use any 10-inch by 10-yard dark blue roll. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. Okay, I have all my mesh cut, and now I'm going to prep my ribbon. I've chosen 3 different ribbons. This one I absolutely love, just like you're on the beach. I did pick it up from craftoutlet.com. This is 2.5 inches at 10 yards. And then I have yellow, 2.5 inches at 10 yards. This is by Royal Canvas. And then I have this one, which I really like. It is more of a kind of a linen with that red and white stripe. I did get this from Craft Outlet as well, 1.5 inches. You want to cut 16 pieces of each ribbon at 10 inches in length. I have my ribbon all cut. Now I'm not going to dovetail the ends. And here on my more fabric ribbon, it does tend to fray a little bit. So you fix that just by taking a lighter and you run it right along that edge a little bit. That helps seal everything up, so you don't get any fraying once you put it into your wreath. Okay, we're all ready to start putting it together. So I have my piece of mesh. It's cut at 22 inches. We're going to be doing the cruffle or woodland ruffle. You start at one end and you do a nice curl or roll. I usually go twice, and then I'll pinch in the center. You can either hold it in your hands. I need a little help, so I use a clip. Go to the opposite end, you do the same thing. And then the distance in between, you scrunch and gather. So you have a curl on either end and a ruffle in the middle. I'm going to start by adding it here to the outside. And then on top of that, I'm going to add some ribbon. I'm going to do one piece of each. I want the yellow in the back, my beach, and then put my red and white right in the middle. And then scrunch right down the center and add that. Trim and tuck those pipe cleaners. Keep adding your bundles until your outer ring is full, then move to your center ring. Okay, I finished the outer ring. Now I'm working on the inner ring. And I like to do the outer ring before the inner ring. This just helps the inner ring sit a little bit on top of the outer ring. I have my base complete, both the inner and outer rings. Now I haven't gone through and adjusted anything yet. I'm going to wait till I get my sign on, and we're going to do that next. This is the sign we're going to be using. I thought it was really pretty, Summer Paradise. I did pick this up from Dollar Tree. This is a really nice sign. It's nice and thick. I removed the jute cord and went ahead and put some floral wire. I just used the floral wire that I pick up from Dollar Tree. I prefer the silver. It does come in several different colors. It's 26 gauge and you get 100 feet. I'm also going to add some pipe cleaners. I want to make sure that my sign is nice and steady. So I'll be adding 3 more, one at the bottom and one on either side. My sign is all ready to go onto our wreath form. And I want to place that right in the center. Go ahead and use your floral wire and pipe cleaners, feed it through the mesh and attach to the wire wreath form in the back. The top and the bottom you should be able to attach to crossbars. And here you go, my sign is on, it's nice and secure. Next, you just want to go through and adjust all of your ribbon, pull it out from behind the sign and adjust as you go around. But look at how pretty. That beautiful blue background with all those bright cherry colors, and it goes so well with the sign I chose. Absolutely gorgeous. So to recap, I used 1 roll of 10 by 10 deco mesh, and I'd say probably about 5 yards of each of the ribbon. I only had about half a roll of each, and I had plenty to do this wreath. But this is nice and big, absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. Yeah, we're about 25 to 26 inches in diameter. Such a beautiful way to greet your guests this summer. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you make a summer wreath for your front door? Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Take care of yourself, my friend. Enjoy the summer weather, and I will see you in the next video.